everyone, thanks so much for choosing Joe's Gaming and Electronics. My name is Matt. Today I will be showing you how to ship out your small electronics to us for repair. First off, you're going to need the electronics that you're planning to send in to us. Secondly, you're going to need a similar packaging envelope. So we do provide you a shipping label that is going to be for a small electronics like this, a specific weight allotment, and it will be about a 3 to 5 business day delivery with no insurance, which means that if you go to the post office and you put this label on an envelope that looks like a Priority Mail Express envelope or just a priority envelope, it is going to charge you extra. If you do want a faster delivery or you're looking for an insured package, you are going to want to use your own label. Now you do want to note that there is some very important information on this label. First off, your name and address are on the label as well as your RMA number. This is the way that we know whose headphones or other electronics are sent into us. So if you do use your own label, you just want to make sure that that information is either in the packaging or on the outside of the packaging. Any packaging that is sent in with your electronics will be thrown away, and that includes original boxes. You can send them in their zipper case if they come in a small pouch, anything like that. You can simply just put your electronics in the package and take it to your local post office, drop it off. Once we receive your item, we will notify you via text and email. We will take a look at it and give you an exact repair cost just within a few days of receiving your package. We are not responsible for any lost or damaged packages. Thank you so much for giving us your trust to service your electronics and make the things that you enjoy the most work better for you. If you do have any questions or if there's any way we can make this process easier for you, feel free to get in contact with us. We are available Monday through Saturday to answer any questions you may have. Have a wonderful day.